Uh, Moving to the next slide, the services and the managed service benefits are self-explanatory. We have worked with several large customers and tier 1 financial institutions because SunGard is into the financial services domain. And we have seen CIOs really leveraging a lot of benefits by working with SunGard on managed services deals, which is all about reducing cost of ongoing operations and audit and security, ensuring there is right mix of SLA metrics and reporting to the IT managers and directors, and more importantly, ensuring there is a full 24/7 support leveraging different global locations and other skill sets. So how have we defined managed services in the SunGard context? In the first slide, I opened up by giving you an industry definition. I also wanted to give you a real-life example of how does SunGard define managed services. As you can see on the slide, we have defined managed services in the financial services domain as any recurring service that leverages SunGard's product/software and also leverages the financial systems domain knowledge. So essentially, the three building blocks on which SunGard's managed services build upon is the financial services domain knowledge, our own data center, as well as our cloud offerings, and of course all the services which we render around our products or wrapped around our products. That is managed services which is offered to our customers. What was the driver for SunGard to enter into the managed services space since the last 4-5 years? If you see the blue box, that is the primary driver, which is lot of CIOs is under pressure of reducing their IT cost. Financial operations are spreading across the globe for every large financial institutions or broker dealer or insurance agencies, and they want to deliver platforms which are built in a very agile manner, which are faster as well as at cheaper cost. So hence infrastructure, platform and software as a service are three of the building blocks which SunGard has in-house, and coupled with the right security and governance, we offer this to our customers. I have also put in the slides some of the examples of specific sub-services which SunGard offers under the managed services umbrella. One is hosting, which is our in-house data centers, which spans across millions of square feet across the three regions, which is US, Europe, as well as Asia Pacific. We have got the state-of-the-art data centers which are SAS 70 certified with PCI DSS security, as well as ISO 27001 and ISO 20000. We have infrastructure management services, application management services, which includes upgrade services and third-party application support. And more importantly, leveraging our own products and platform, we also offer BPO to our end customers. That essentially is covering the entire stack of what we call managed services end to end. We have large enterprise customers which are top Fortune 500 companies, and they are leveraging SunGard's managed services in different parts of the regions, as well as servicing their customers using our services. I also wanted to touch upon for some of the folks on the call today who are specifically into IT services company, into IT outsourcing. Everyone is very well aware of the traditional IT services model or the engagement model, which is staff augmentation. But as you have, I wanted to really paint the picture or the landscape of what are the different engagement models and where does managed services fit. As you can see, staff augmentation is a traditional model. Project based is something which is being done based on engagement nature and attributes. Co-sourced is a trend which started about 5 years back, and managed services is the latest trend, which essentially is complete ownership of the function or the service, which is tied to SLAs, and of course there are penalties associated to the SLAs, which is the true game of managed services. Having said the definition about managed services, what does SunGard offers in managed services, as well as what are the benefits, I would now request Sri Lagna to open a quick quiz poll. So Sri Lagna with the first question.
By first question, do you mean what is the estimated growth of managed services market?
Yes.
Alright, I'll launch it. We will keep the poll open for another 30 odd seconds, and then we can say out loud the answer.
It's very good. I can see a lot of folks polling. So
Okay, so I think we can close the poll now.
Srilagna, can you also post the second question?
Sure. Would you like to share the response first? Somesh, would you like to share the
Yes.
response first?
Yeah. So the response for the first question is 250 billion.
46% say 250 billion and 54% they're saying 260 plus billion. That was the poll response we got. So I'm moving on to the second question.